Hello everyone, you're welcome to my Java course for beginners to experts. In today's lecture, we are going to learn ternary operators in Java. Ternary operator. What is basically ternary operator? The ternary operator is also known as the conditional operator. This operator consists of three operands and is used to evaluate Boolean expressions. The goal of the operator is to decide which value should be assigned to the variable. The operator is written as variable variable x, then expression. If this expression is true, then the variable value is true, then colon if the value is false. If the value is false, then this value is assigned to x. If the value of this expression is true, then this value is assigned to this variable. Let's understand this with example. Here we create a test class. As usual, test class main method, and here we taking two variable, int a and int b. We assign variable a with value 10, but for variable b we are assigning value on some condition. In this condition, what we are checking, if a equal to 1, if value of a is 1, then the value of b is 20, otherwise the value of b should be 30. It means if the result of this expression is true, then b will hold the value after the which is after the question mark. But if the result is false of this expression, the value of b will be this value which is after the colon. So in this case, a equal to 1, which is false. So the value 30 will be assigned to variable b. If you print the value b after this expression, the value b will be 30. Value will be 30. In the same way, a equal to 10. So value a is 10. So here this will produce true. This will produce true. So this value will assign to variable b, because in the condition of true, after question mark that value will be assigned to the variable. But if this expression gives the result false, after the semicolons value will be assigned to the b. So in this case, the value of variable b, this 20 will assign to variable b. So if you print the value of b after executing this expression, you will get the value 20. So here you can see, in case of first, the value of b is 30. In second case, the value of b is 20. Let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. Let's see what we are doing. We have a test class already, just removing this code. Okay, here we are defining two variable, int a comma b. A equal to 10 and b equal to, if a equal to 1, then 20, otherwise 30. Print the value of b. Okay, now second expression, b equal to, if a equal to 10, if yes, then 20, else 30. Now run the program. Yes, you will get the output 30 and 20. So I hope you understand the concept of ternary operator. Ternary operator execute on some condition. If the condition is true, then first value is assigned to the variable. If condition is false, then second value is assigned to the variable. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture. At the end of this video, we have completed our operators. So in Java, these all are the operators. I hope after watching these videos on operators, you have clear all about operators in Java. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. I will explain more on that. Okay, so thank you for watching this video lecture. Watch my next video for learning new things in Java.